when you've got a spare £1, rummage round your nearest charity shop and invest in a Thesaurus. They quite often come with a dictionary. This is a pocket-size one, which is something of a misnomer because you wouldn't fit that in your pocket, would you? And it just gives you a list of words that mean the same thing. So let's have a look. Here we are. Punish. We could have beat, castigate, chasten, chastise, correct, discipline, flog, lash, scourge, torture, whip. Now it doesn't give you the meanings of any of these words. It doesn't tell you how to pronounce them. It doesn't give you the history of where they came from. But it is so you have to be slightly cautious that you use it in the same way. Let's have a look at here's a more happy word. Happy. It could mean blessed, blessed, blissful, cheerful, contented, joyful, joyous, light-hearted, merry, charmed, delighted, glad, gladdened, gratified, pleased, rejoiced, fortunate, lucky, prosperous, successful, able, adroit, apt, dexterous, expert, ready, skillful, befitting, felicitous, opportune, pertinent, cat bottom, no, oops, as they say in all the nice places. Where did we get to? Pertinent, wasn't it? Seasonable, well-timed, that was not well-timed, auspicious, bright, favourable, and precipitous. Not all of those you would want to use in every sentence where you use happy, but it is a starting point. Put one by the loo, so when you're having a pee and you know that you don't want to go downstairs and do the washing up, you can just spend a minute looking idly round at different words. Get familiar with it. I'm not saying you should learn it, but it is a very useful tool in years to come. So learn to make it your friend, unlike me and the cat. See you soon.